What's up, YouTube? I just trade here. Well, Ford needed to get the F-150 Lightning out before Tesla got out their Cybertruck, and now Elon has came out with a delay for the Cybertruck. So I think Ford should have this one in the bag. But Tesla Roadster and the Cybertruck are still most EVs by search, despite delays, which is it's pretty big. It's pretty big. I still like Tesla. I don't own any shares of Tesla anymore. My contracts, I made some good money off the contracts. I'm still actually holding on the profits over there. But I still like Tesla. You know, I'm not going to talk about Tesla right now. This is about Ford. So, I mean, I think that's a win right there for Ford. And then also, what else was it? Not only that, but Ford is also working to keep scalpers from spoiling the launch of the Ford F-150. Ford even threatened dealers that said that if you won't, told them they won't send them their F-150s if they break sales rules. Ford's trying to keep it locked down. I think they're trying to pull a little bit of a little Elon Musk, little Tesla kind of deal over here. But my price target for Ford is going to be about $46 by end of year, roughly. I think that's about a 110% increase. It's not too wild. It's a little mild price target. Now, if Ford, or should I say when Ford does trim back on Rivian, which there was an article about how much, I mean, hell, they made $8.2 billion. That's what they're expected to bag on Rivian. This was prior to the big ass fiasco we've had. So it's probably at about maybe $6 billion, something like that, roughly now. But I've been saying that they should kind of trim back on their position for the past about a month ago during my live stream. And let's take a moment to make sure you subscribe and that bell's lit, and stop by the morning stream at youtube.com. I just trade live before the bell every day. I don't even know why I said it like that, but oh well. But Ford is, like I said, they booked $8.2 billion. It's probably a little bit down right now, but other than that, Ford also said it was recording about a $1.7 billion in costs associated with buying back and redeeming high-cost debt in the fourth quarter. A step to look to a further strengthening the company's balance sheet and reduce ongoing interest expenses. The automaker also reported a $3.6 billion non-cash benefit related to tax structures. And what else was there? There was something on Rivian. Where was it? Oh, here, right here. Rivian's Georgia electric vehicle plant sparks fears among some neighborhoods over there. I guess they ain't too happy about it. I don't know if you remember, but back before Christmas, Rivian confirmed it will build a $5 billion factory on a roughly 2,000 square acres. And they're not too happy. Some of the you can go through the article here, but apparently some of the people that live there, they're not really keen on it. Other than that, there was some other news there was something here with Rivian. I'm not really paying attention to that, but we had Ford and GM. They got this aggressive new electric vehicle strategy. It's kind of like an old financing strategy where they're just going to be going for just straight cash. Like General Motors and Ford are investing $6.65 billion to $35 billion at the GM and $30 billion for Ford and electric vehicles. That's why I've been saying that if Ford was to sell their Rivian position, not all of it, but a little bit, it would do Ford very well. I mean, I'm not really banking on GM because GM didn't do too well on their deliveries this last time. So, but GM's it's a legacy name too, just like Ford, but I think Ford's holding it better. That's basically it right there for Ford. Let's jump in and look at the charts real quick. If you've been coming in on my live stream, I've been kind of talking about Ford for a while. It gave everything back, which is it's not that bad. I mean, it sucks. Like, you know, it really does suck because I got contracts that were way up in the money. Unfortunately, I'm still holding on to them, but I'm playing the next earnings, Q1 earnings, actually, not even Q4 earnings. So I got plenty of time on it. But we also have dividends coming up. Don't forget, Ford gives a dividend. So, I mean, I'm going to get paid on my divvy. This is going to be the second time in the past 2 years since I've been holding Ford for that long already. I remember when they got rid of the dividend. But I'm going to be looking to grab Ford right here at this 1972. Preferably, I want it here at 16. I want to say it's going to be 1727. Hell, I got to be real. It's going to be 1675. I think we're going to see a little bit more downward pressure. But if Ford is somehow able to keep it up and hold right here in this area, I'm okay with it because, like I said, I've been holding Ford for quite a while. I'm not going to be too upset with it if it comes down. I'm not going to be too upset if it rips again. But I will be looking forward, though. I will be looking at more contracts here on Ford. God damn it. Let me bring it up real quick. like that. The Ford contracts, I'm already holding on to Ford contracts, but if Ford comes down some more, the premium is going to be very cheap on these ones. And I'm not messing around no more. I'm going for the 720, the January 19th, 2024 leaps. I'm going to keep it pretty close to in the money. I'm going to be looking at the $22 to the $25 strike price. I would prefer to keep it near the money, like at the money, and not kind of mess around no more. But I will wait a little bit longer until we hear from Fed Powell on the next FOMC. There is a possibility that I could probably get these down. I could probably get these $17 ones, maybe the $20 ones. I just gotta let the strike price come down a little bit more. Let me know what you think about Ford. If you're holding it, if you're selling it, or what you doing with it. I'm out.